So it says how many ounces is more grammatically correct, is in 500 milliliters. So let's see. Right, how many ounces are in 500 milliliters? So in order for us to convert these two guys, we're going to realize first that these two guys are in two different systems, right? So ounces here are in the empirical system and liters here are in the metric system. So we want to write down this here is both we're going from the metric to the imperial, sorry, because we're given our metric here. And both of these guys also measure volume, right? So basically we need some sort of conversion factor. When we're working with two different systems, we need a conversion factor between those two guys here. And this here is, it's saying here there is 0.033814 ounces in 1 milliliter. And I'm just going to double check that for you. So I'm going from basically milliliters to ounces, and indeed it is 0.033814. So this is our conversion factor. So we can say that 1 ml equals 0.033814 ounces, or OZ here. So in order for me to convert 500, I'm going to have to use some unit analysis, right? So if I have 500 milliliters, I'm going to multiply that by, again, I have 0.033814 ounces per milliliter, and I wanted to get ounces as my units. So I'm going to put here, this would be 0.033814 ounces in 1 milliliter. And this will here, this here will give me my my ounces, right? Because my milliliters here cancel out. And this here would equal ounces, right? So I'm simply going to do that on my calculator. I have 500 multiplied by 0.033814, and this will give me a value of 16.907. This here is in ounces, and this here is our solution. As you can see, this solution here is correct because they did the exact same thing. They didn't put the units in the step here, which I kind of like to do to use unit analysis, so I know for sure that I'm getting my ounces here. So this solution here is correct. Good analysis.